Hawwaoshi, sometimes spelled Hawashi, Egyptian Arabic, IPA, ḥæɪwæwşi, is a traditional Egyptian dish. It is a pita stuffed with minced meat and spiced with onions, pepper, parsley, and occasionally chilies. The major variants of hawwaoshi are baladi, standard, and Alexandrian. In most of Egypt, it is baked by filling the flat Egyptian bread with the meat mix and then baking it in the oven. In Alexandria, the ingredients are placed between two circular layers of dough, then baked in an oven. Alexandrian hawwaoshi also usually have different spices and seasonings. Hawwaoshi has spread to other countries in the Middle East and North Africa with some variation. In the Levant, it is made using sage bread and includes hot peppers in the filling. In Algeria, it is known as muhajib and is eaten with soup or a yogurt. Salad.Hawawshi is commonly made in Egyptian homes and is also served in some restaurants, usually as a takeaway. Prices at restaurants range from 10 to 30 guineas, depending on the size and amount of meat used. Hawwaoshi was invented in 1971 by an Egyptian butcher named Ahmed al-Hawwashi. From his stall in the Souk al-Tawfiq neighborhood in Cairo, hawwaoshi spread throughout Cairo and then to the rest of Egypt. Since al-Hawwashi's death, hawwaoshi have become especially popular in Sharqiya Governorate in the Nile Delta, where the best hawwaoshi are reported to be found.